Hello, how are you doing? This is step 2, how to make money with Clickbank. In the previous step, which is step 1, I go over how you can go about creating your Clickbank account, and I also show you how to choose a product and the best type of product you can go about promoting. In this step, I'm going to show you how to create your system, how to set up your system before you start going about promoting that product. So what you need to do, you need to click the link in the description. It's going to take you to ClickFunnels. ClickFunnels, ClickFunnels is the software we're going to use. It's going to allow we to create our landing page or a squeeze page. I'm going to build a funnel and I'm going to show you what you need to do before sending people directly to your product. So what you're going to do is when you click on the link in the description, it's going to take you to this page. It's going to allow you, when you click on the link, it's going to allow you to create a free 14-day trial with ClickFunnels. But for now, I'm just going to log into my account. As you can see, I'm right here inside of my ClickFunnels account. As you can see, ClickFunnels allow me to collect contacts. As you can see, the amount of visitors come to my page before they see my product. And as you can see, I just have 2 funnels available at the moment. But for now, we're just gonna click on funnel. As soon as you create your ClickFunnels account and on your dashboard, you're gonna go to funnel. Yes, when you click on funnel, you're gonna see you land on a page like this. But right here for now, you're not gonna see any create. You're not gonna see any funnel right here that you created. So as you can see, I have 2 funnels right here that I already created. So what you will do, you're gonna go right here, add new. So what you're gonna do, you're just gonna create a basic funnel. So what you're gonna do, click on create new funnel. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna collect email. We're not going to sell a product. We're gonna just collect email. So we're gonna choose this option, collect email. So what you're gonna do now, you're gonna name your funnel. So you're gonna name your funnel something like this. Just name my funnel Clickbank product. Just for now, I'm just gonna name this funnel Clickbank product, and I'm gonna just click right here, build funnel. My internet is kinda moving a bit slow, but So when I name my funnel, it's going to give me a bunch of email opt-in templates that I can choose which one I want to use to capture email. So what I will do, I will just choose one that I will want, that I will just choose one that I want, that I will like to use, or you can just choose one that you want to use for this demonstration purpose. I'm just going to look for a little simple, nice, simple one. Alright, I'm just going to use this. Alright, when I choose that template, or when I choose the template that I want to use, what you're going to do next, you're going to click right here, edit page. As soon as the page is edited, what we'll do, we will change out those headline and those body line, and the one what we're gonna actually do, we're gonna change out all of those text and make it resonate with our product that we are promoting. As you can see, I'm just promoting the Clickbank University at the moment. So I'm gonna click on the Clickbank University. Clickbank University. Yes, I'm gonna click on the Clickbank University. I'm gonna take it to this page. So I need to capture headline or some speech about the Clickbank University. That's when time somebody opt in, give me their name and their email, or their email alone, they can resonate with what they opt in for. Yeah, they're gonna resonate on what they opt in for. So I'm just gonna capture something from this headline. I'm just gonna use this. And what I'm gonna do, I'm delete out some of them things here. Delete out all the disclaimer for now, for demonstration purpose. But I can just add your own disclaimer and thing, but for now I can just use it just like this. So what we need to do now, we need to go right there. No, yeah, we need to go back to Clickbank, get my affiliate link, hit promote, get my affiliate link, That's when them opt into the page, fill in them name and them email, and it access, it direct them to the affiliate link. So even if them no buy at same time, more have them info can send them update about the product. You can send them update about the product or different product. You can send them update about different product. Alright, get my affiliate link now. I'm gonna come right here where it says settings, general, right down. Just scroll over settings, and that'll come give you a drop down menu. You're gonna hit general. It's right here where it said on submit photo. You're gonna put in your affiliate link right in there. When I put it in, make sure you put in correctly. And you're just going to stroll over the page and left click and just hit save to save the affiliate link into the funnel. So what you're gonna do now, you can just exit the page. Now I'm gonna show you what the page look like and how the page will work. I'm just gonna preview the page. Alright, this is how the page is going to look like. So when someone instead of you go ahead and promote this raw link, what you will do, you will set up your funnel. That's when you promote your funnel. You instead of you promote the link, you're gonna promote the funnel. You're gonna promote this instead of you promote the Clickbank link. Sorry, you're gonna promote this link, which is the funnel link. And when someone click on that link, it's gonna take them right here. And what they will do, they will put in their name and their email if they're interested, and they're gonna click here before they see your product. And it's gonna direct them straight to the Clickbank University. You're gonna direct them straight to your product. And what that will do, that will allow you to capture their name and their email. So even if they do not take action immediately, you can send them update about the product whenever you want. Or you can send them update.
You want to make your very first Clickbank commission online today.
You can send them update about a different product if they don't want to take action on this product. So this allows you to capture everyone who visit your link. So if you are promoting any product online and you don't want to lose your traffic, you need to capture it. And this is the way you can go ahead and capture your traffic. You need to set up a system that allows you to capture your traffic. That if someone don't take action same time, you can send them update about it. 99% of the people them come across people product do not take action same time. Many reasons why: they probably do not have their credit card, or probably they do not have the funds, or probably they do not at the right place at the right time. So when you capture the email information, or you capture any information from them that will allow you to send them update again about the product, that allow you to make more sale and faster sale and quicker sale. So you need to set up this system. So remember, click the link in the description and you can just muggle this video and set up your funnel. Okay, and in the next video I'm going to show you what you need to do next to send them update about the product. So stay tuned for step 3. Okay.